Hey everyone, my name is Alex. I'm an entomologist at the City of New Orleans Mosquito, Termite, and Rodent Control Board, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for our spray notification system. So before we do any sprays with our helicopter or truck, we make sure to put out a alert so that you guys know where we're spraying and when we're spraying. So the easiest way to do this is to go to NOLA.gov and then just scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen where you'll see this button that says subscribe to email updates. So you can just click on this and it's going to take you to the GovDelivery login. On this page, you can choose whether you want to be updated by email or text. So for this purpose, I'm just going to show you guys how to sign up by email. So you'll type in your email here. Make sure you clear the CAPTCHA question and then you press submit. So then you'll be taken to this page here where you can decide which topics you want to subscribe for. So you can click as many or as few as you want, but the most important thing is to make sure that you click on the mosquito control link right here and then mosquito abatement notice. Once you click these, you'll be automatically subscribed to our email or text list, so you'll get notified once we send out a release. Once you're okay with all the topics you choose, you're going to press submit. You'll be taken to another page just to look at a few more subscription options. You can click those if you would like to or not. If you're okay with all of that, press check this box right here and then press submit. And then you're going to be signed up for our notifications. And just to show you what they would look like, you will get this email or text anytime we go out and spray, which includes how we're going to do the spray mission, on what day, and what times we're going to be starting and ending. We also include the street boundaries and include maps that show those street boundaries just for easy access. And then additionally, we include some more information about why we're doing that treatment, what else we're seeing with our mosquito populations, and a few tips for your home and personal protection. If you have any questions, feel free to call our office or email us at mosquitocontrol@nola.gov. Thank you guys.